Did you know that your personal details, like your home address, can be found online by anyone? CyberBackgroundChecks.com makes this possible, posing a serious threat to your privacy. Let's explore the risks and how to protect yourself. CyberBackgroundChecks.com collects and displays your personal information, including your name, address, and phone number. This exposure increases your vulnerability to scams, spam, and identity theft. Understanding these risks is crucial for safeguarding your privacy. Ready to take control of your privacy? Start by visiting the CyberBackgroundChecks Opt-Out page. Provide your email address, check the Terms of Service box, and complete the CAPTCHA challenge. Then, click the Send Request button. Check your email inbox, then follow the record removal link in it. Enter your personal information and solve the CAPTCHA challenges requested by CyberBackgroundChecks. Afterward, click the Submit button. Your request has been successfully submitted. Your record should be removed within 48 hours. Leaving your personal details online exposes you to various risks, from scams to identity theft. By opting out, you take a significant step in safeguarding your privacy. It's a proactive measure everyone should consider. CyberBackgroundChecks is just one of many data broker sites. For a faster way to remove your details from multiple websites, consider using Delete My Info. Let experts handle the hard work for you. By following these steps, you've taken a crucial step in protecting your online privacy. Remember, opting out is just the beginning. Stay vigilant and regularly check for your information on other data broker sites.
For more tips on staying safe online, like and subscribe to our channel. Together, we can take control of our digital lives and ensure our personal information remains private. Visit DeleteMinfo.com for more assistance.